Okay. So difference between copy role and create role.
Okay, from copy role, sir, we have to create only single role. From create role, we can create multiple roles.
Okay, correct answer.
Okay.
Question 2. While we create the custom job role, what options will be there on top of the custom job role creation? At least tell 3 options.
Sorry, sir.
While we create the custom job role,
Okay.
we have a on top side 4 or 5 options are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me 3
Yeah.
options?
Function security policies, data security, and role hierarchy, sir.
Okay, correct answer.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next. Archana, ready now? Hello? Archana, ready? Hello? Next. Arshit, ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Can you tell me the navigation of employee user?
We need to first go to the new person, and then we can go to hire an employee. From there, we can create an employee user.
No, you miss one point.
My client groups, then the new person.
Okay, right answer. Next question. Purpose of the role hierarchy in the custom job role creation.
So the role hierarchy, nothing but we can handle the page content. So if it is left empty, and then we will not get any page content. And after adding the role hierarchy, we will get the page content where we can see the data, where we can see the content of the page.
Okay, correct answer. Next. Imtiaz Basha. Basha, ready now? Hello?
Yes, Sunil.
Okay. Can you tell me the navigation of Oracle Cloud Database?
Yeah, for this, to check the data in database, so we need to navigate tools, report and analysis. After that, data model, data structures, and SQL.
Okay. Difference between the data role and job role.
Yeah. For the data role, we will get data and as well as screens. For job role, we will get only screens.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, Nishi.
Koti ready now? Koti ready.
Yes.
Can you tell me the navigation of data role creation? Are you answering code ready?
Yes, Vamsi.
Yeah, tell me. Next question. How many ways we can create the job role? How many ways we
Two
can
ways,
create the
Vamsi.
job? Okay, tell me the 2 ways.
One way is normal way, another way is the data role way. We create the data role in the data role. Job role also created in the data role.
Not correct. How many ways we can create the job role? Not correct answer. Thank you. Good. Moinuddin, you will involve or
Hello?
yeah,
Yeah,
Moinuddin?
yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. So what is the purpose of simulate navigator?
To see the duties code.
Correct answer. Next question. Navigation of copy role creation.
Uh, Tools, IT security, security console. Then go to the roles, search the role, display the role, and search in the search role. We have an option arrow, down arrow. There we have a copy role. Option is there.
Okay, fine. Correct answer. Thank you, Rohit.
You're welcome.
Amojamil?
Hello.
Yeah, Amojamil, ready now?
Yes, Abhishek.
Okay. Navigation of implementation project.
Navigation of implement-
Navigation of implementation project creation. Mujamil.
Mm,
See, while we are going this one mock interview, right? So
yes.
I will check the accuracy also, guys. Accuracy means you have to tell the answer immediately, right? They will not give the
Okay.
time. So it will be question and answer, question and answer. Waiting time will be very less in the real interviews. Hmm? Oh, yeah? No, no. So while you create the custom job role, while you create the custom job role, there is a section called functional security policy. What is the purpose? Mujamil, are you there?
Yes, from Xiaomi here.
Maharashtra. Okay. You want to tell?
Sure.
Okay. It's fine. And done. Prashant, ready now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Navigation of implementation user creation.
Implementation user creation.
Navigation of implementation user creation.
Um, the tools and I'm not getting.
Next question.
Okay.
Difference between the EMP user and the IMP user in the backend table.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Pratap, ready now?
Yes, sir.
To create the employee user, what role required?
IT security managers.
Hmm?
IT security manager.
Next question. Purpose of create role in job role creation. What is the purpose?
I don't know, sir.
Hmm?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Fine, no problem. Prashant, okay. Ram.
Yes,
Reena.
Vamshi. Yeah.
Ram, Reena. Sharada. Suman. Bryce. Bryce. Vinay. Vinay. Vishal. Okay, Ram. So where the user information will store in the backend table?
So information. In the tables, that will be stored in the form of tables.
Correct only, but which table? Table name.
Not getting.
Okay. Next question. So when we create the Employee user and implementation user. Front end. Difference between employee user and MP user in the front end.
Employee user is just an abstract user. Implementation user is the user like application implementation consultant role will be
No,
there.
I'm asking. See, if you go to the user screen, how you identify this is employee user or this is implementation user?
Yeah, and the role itself, role name will be there. Abstract user and
No.
implementation for
Even
IMP.
even IMP user also you can add the abstract role.
Okay.
Even
Means
IMP
like
user also
okay.
you can add.
Yeah, options. The difference between the options after creating the role. It's the different options in employee user and implementation user.
See, you search the employee user screen, you search the IMP user screen. So there may be one major difference is there. I think we discussed in the classes also.
Okay.
Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Ready now? Rina? Hello? Okay. Sharda, ready?
No, Vamsi, yesterday.
Okay, yes. You told me, right? Correct. Okay.
Yeah, Vamsi, am I audible now?
Yeah, I'm audible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vamshi, Archana, I'm here, Vamshi.
Okay. I will ask you later, last. Okay.
Okay, Vamshi.
Rina, ready now?
Yeah, yes, Vamsi.
To get the setup and maintenance, what role we need to add?
Setup and maintenance. Application consultant.
Tell me the full name. 50% correct.
It's application implementation consultants.
Okay, correct. How to see the versions?
Yeah, versions navigation. No, exactly. I didn't remember. Vamsi. The right side, last one, I think, means some settings or applications.
50%.
Yeah.
Suman, ready now?
Yes.
Okay. Difference between data role and data access for users task.
User task.
Data role and data access for users task.
Okay, I don't know.
Purpose of security profile. Purpose of security profile. No idea? Okay. Suresh, ready now?
Yes, sir.
To get the security profile option, what role we need to create? What role we need to add?
Employee role. Application implementation consultant. Sorry.
So when we add application implementation consultant, tell me 3 options. Tell me 2 options. Two duties you can tell.
It's a handle for all employees.
No, not correct. Oh, yeah?
Sorry.
Okay. Purpose of functional security policies. Vinay.
Functional security policies by using functional security policies, we can add the data, means whatever the parent details is there, no, we can add it here.
Example,
human resource is there, no, human resource specialist. We'll get it data to the human resource HR specialist and view all.
Not correct. So what is the purpose of functional security policies while you create the custom job role? Straightforward question.
Custom data on, we can use the custom data role on standard data role.
No, I'm asking, while you create the custom job role, there is a section called functional security policies. What is the purpose of that one? So simple question I will ask you, Vinay. Functional security policies, if you add remove here, where will be the impact?
Privileges will be coming to the custom job role. If it is there, no options, whatever means organization is there, that options will coming to custom job role.
So where will be the impact? If you remove or add something, where will be the impact?
Summary, it will be there.
Okay, I will ask one more way. For example, functional security policies, you have removed someone duty.
Okay.
So where will be the impact? Question to you. What is the purpose of data access for user's task?
Data access for user task. If you give data access to the user, data will be displayed to the user.
Which module?
In HCM module.
What is the navigation of the data access for user's task?
Setup and maintenance. Search, manage and data access for the user, and you can add the username and there. Data access for the user means giving any privileges to the users. That's his process.
50% correct. Vishal, ready now?
Yes, sir.
When we add the HR specialist view all, what options we will get?
If in HR process, we get the data role as well as the job role. So we can search the user.
Now, when we add the HR specialist view all, what duties will come?
What duties? There should be a job role that is inherited with this.
Yeah, that is okay. Job role will be there here, but what options will be there? At least tell me two options.
Like new person screen and person management.
Okay, correct. Next question. To become implementation user, what rules required?
First of all, we need IT security console and application implementation consultant, and then these two roles are needed for the.
Correct. Archana, are you able to participate?
Yes, Vamshi.
Okay. Okay. While you create the custom job role, there is an option called data security policies. When we are not adding data security policies, where will be the impact? When you create the custom job role, there is an option called data security policies. If we are not adding data security policies information, where will be the impact?
We cannot view some of the duties, Vamshi.
Not correct.
And we cannot see the data. Data security policy means we cannot able to see the data.
Not correct answer.
Okay.
So when we are not adding the data security policies while you create the custom job role, so where will be the impact?
Custom job role when you are creating.
There is a section called data security policies.
Data security policies.
If we are not adding, so there will be one impact will be there. That means there will be one problem will be there. What is that problem? Where that problem? How to fix?
Okay. Security policies, like wherever we will exclude in that security policies, right? We will mention what data actually particular business unit or in that way it will affect or what? Security policies page obviously we use for what we call to restrict the data security policies. So in that if you don't mention, then we cannot get a proper business unit or LGS particular exclude you want exclude to that particular user, we will use the security policies screen, right?
Page content not to there.
Page?
Tell me, I will give one more chance to you.
They did not see it properly.
I will give one clue to you. Last class we discussed this one.
In that hierarchy, security hierarchy, last class.
Last class I explained this one.
Security policies screen. I remember that we used for restricting the data only. This screen.
No.
Okay.
Next question I will answer. Okay.
Okay.
purpose of functional security policies. If you are not adding functional security policies, where will be the impact?
In the custom job role, if we did not add the functional security policies, some of the duties we don't able to see it, or some privileges also.
This is correct answer.
Yeah.
Anyone not participated, guys? Yes, are you? Will you participate?
Yes, once.
Okay. So tell me the difference between IMP user and EMP user, both backend and front end. Fun.
Yes.
No idea?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is the purpose of abstract role?
The same. This is used for multiple access, huh?
No, not correct.
Yeah, abstract role is a multiple access, like report purpose and so on, implementation also.
Okay. So anyone not participated, guys? Do you want to participate? So guys, this is just evaluation, guys. Why I am conducting this, for you will prepare, right? If I am not conducting, you people will not prepare. So that is the main intention of this mock interviews. So likewise, we have conducted one mock interview, right? Likewise, we have a 10 mock interviews to be there. So first one we have completed, but but I am say that 70% people are not answered, guys. Only 30% only answered. So this one is easy, guys. I'm telling you this, what security, whatever we have covered. So it is a easiest topic from all our 7 topics. In the future, BIP reports, OIC, VBCS. So these things are very complex, guys. Coding not there, but preparation is, I think, you people are not prepared much. Only 30% members only answered 100%. 70% members are not answered. Tell me, guys, what we need to do to get the preparation for all the topics, all the classes. See, if you see this is 14 classes, right? If you go for BIP, 35 classes will be there, 35 classes will be there. OIC 25 classes will be there. So if this, I'm telling you guys, this kind of preparation will not get the jobs. You people are not taking serious, guys. That is the thing I'm worrying. Seriousness will be there, guys. I'm telling you, because 2 things I will tell you, guys. Here you are spending the time as well as the money. So money maybe you will earn some other way, but whatever the time you are spending, that will not come back for sure. So you tell me, guys, what means my teaching style. If you want me to change, I can change, or like how, whichever you like, you tell me. I will go accordingly. But I want everyone should be prepared and tell the means at least preparation should be there.
Yes. Preparation required more.
Preparation is important, guys. If you are not preparing, you will after a few days, what you will feel that you will not able to understand the concept what I am explaining. So that is the reason I am telling you, guys. You spend the time and practice and prepare. See, the question what I asked is only for our topics or different topics. You tell me, guys.
Our topics only.
Our same whatever I have asked given training, so that only I asked questions.
Sir, can you explain in Telugu also, sir?
Telugu, see, I can explain last, but I cannot explain because there are other state members are there. They will not understand if I explain in Telugu. Last, if you want 5 minutes, I can explain.
Last 5 minutes, like conclusions, like that you explain.
Okay, so I'm telling you guys one more thing. If you are not understanding something, you watch the video 1 or twice, you will understand. So that is one thing. And one more thing, guys, if I am explaining Telugu, if you are happy to under Telugu preparation, if you join in the company, if you attend the meetings, see, you are habiting that understanding in Telugu, right? So if you join in the company, they will not explain in Telugu, right? The requirement, everything, meetings and everything. Yeah, I'm just relaying the information, but I'm okay. I can able to explain Telugu last 5 minutes. That's not a problem. But I'm just giving the information to you. After you join the company, they will not explain in Telugu right in the meeting. After joining the company.
Okay.
So you try to understand whatever I'm explaining. Maybe if you are not understanding one time, so definitely you watch the video and get familiar on that. Even though if you watch the video, you are not getting understand. You ask me personally, I can explain, but just I'm giving the information to you.
Okay,
You will have it on that if you are asking Telugu to explain. I can explain, but going forward, what you will do, you try to understand with the language what we are covering in English.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions, guys?
Vamshi, only one question I had a doubt in this mock interview, that purpose of on the purpose, what role we need to add to get the security profile. I think the application implementation consultant, right? That one as well.
Which one? Security profile? Which question?
What role do we need to add to get the security profile option? You asked somebody.
Security
this one, yes,
profile.
yes.
Sorry, security console.
Yeah.
Sorry, this is a type of mistake. Security console.
IT security manager.
IT security manager. This one.
Vamshi, one more question, Vamshi. Data security policy. I told you that to manage the data access related thing, we have to give this, but you said
See, this is data security policies. You did not mention anywhere data role, na? See, data security policies, if we are not adding here, if we are not adding the data security policies, while you create the data role, the options will not come. మీరు డేటా రోల్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు డేటా రోల్ క్రియేట్ చేసినప్పుడు సెక్యూరిటీ ప్రొఫైల్లో ఆప్షన్స్ రావు. సో దట్ ఆన్సర్ యూ డి నాట్ టెల్.
Okay.
You are telling that the restriction of the data BU or something you are telling, but that is not correct, right? So when we are not adding the data security policy, while you create the data role, security profile screen, the options will not come.
Okay.
Options will not come means the page content, na?
Page content is different. Role hierarchy is the page content.
Okay,
But data security policies is different. You go through that, I think 11th and 12th classes. I think clearly I explained.
Yeah, this can be used for managing the data access only, right? Data access purpose. if we want to go with the data, to view the data, we'll go with the data roles, right? That time, if you don't mention in the job role, then when you create a data role, custom data role, that time you will get a problem. That is what,
Yeah,
right?
but you did not mention anywhere data role option, right? While you tell the answer.
Yeah, that I agree. That is what
Okay.
just I'm understanding.
Yeah, correct. So,
Yeah.
if you are not mentioning here, మీరు data role create చేసినప్పుడు, you will not get the security profile options.
ఓకే. ఆ సెక్యూరిటీ ప్రొఫైల్ ఆప్షన్ లో అక్కడ మనము సెక్యూరిటీ ప్రొఫైల్ ఆప్షన్ లో అక్కడ మనం రెస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా పర్టికులర్ బియు కానీ ఓకే ఓకే అక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. ఓకే వంశ్.
Yeah, I think the main difference is the difference between implementation and employee user. Many of them will not know that. I think we discussed in the third class.
Correct. Implementation user and employee user, we discussed many, that is one dedicated class. So employee user, the data will be, there is a
person ID.
There is a additional personal information option will be there, right? Person information option will be there for the employee user.
In the back end to identify
person ID.
the person ID. If it is null, then it is implementation.
Correct. Any other question which you are not understanding, you can ask me, I can explain.
This is whatever I told, no functional consult. What will be impact means it will be impact on the customer data, custom job role, no?
Which one? Functional security policy.
Yes, it will.
It will impact on
custom job role, no? While creating.
Yeah, custom job role only. I'm asking you example. So where if you are not adding functional security policy, where will be the impact? Say, for example, if you remove here something, where will be the impact?
It will impact on custom data role,
no? No. See, I will tell you that. Tell me, Harshit.
I think in the to remove the duties, the functional security policies.
Correct. See, if you go for dev 8, I will tell you.
Security adding privileges I told, I think so.
No. Privileges కాదండి. dev 8. See, when we are not adding the functional security policy, the impact will be there in the duties level. See here.
Not on privileges.
See, if when you are not adding the functional security policies, the impact will be there in the duty level. Yeah. You remember, Anand, we discussed one example also, right? Data exchange option we have removed.
We have removed the data exchange from that.
So you have to tell the answer. In the tools navigator level, the impact will be there.
Okay, tool level. Okay. Sorry for not answering the proper right answer.
No, see, this is evaluation, guys. I'm telling you, you people are learning.
Abstract role means like the functional role, data user role, no?
Abstract role, basically what will happen when we add the role, when we create an employee or when that time the abstract role will be added to the user.
Abstract role means we cannot inherit to other, no? There it will be stopped.
So automatically the one role will be added to the user. That role, automatic role, we have to call it abstract role.
When we hire an employee.
Correct. Okay, guys, no problem. But second mock interview you have to prepare, guys. Okay, so that will be there and after the completion of the OTBI. You prepare well for that. Thank you, guys. Today I'm stopping. Tomorrow I will continue.
I have doubt one.
Yeah, tell me.
Which is you have asked the question to me. Purpose of create role in job role create. Tell me the answer.
Purpose of create role in job role creation, by using the create role, we can combine multiple job roles, right? That is the answer you have to tell.
Perfect. Thank you.
See, purpose of create role while you create the job role means if you want to create the job role by using create role option, we can combine multiple job roles.
Thank you, sir.
Vamshi, do you have a question list in Notepad, Vamshi? Then you share in the group. We will keep with us. Is it
100%. Same like as how we upload the note this drive.
okay?
it
Okay,
will be
that okay. Even questions also you are going to upload it now.
Yeah, whatever the questions are there now.
Okay, okay, Vamshi. Fine.